Hey guys, it's Tony. How you doing? I figured this would probably be as good as time as any to make this video, because I didn't want to wait till like 8 o'clock at night, because the Forex market already closed right now at 3 p.m. or like about an hour ago or so. So I figured there's no difference if I make the video now or later. As you guys can see, the count did actually grow. We started with like 970 bucks or something. In the morning, I think the video that I made, we were up like $14 and something cents. As of 4 p.m., what's today? July 17th or something? I don't know what today is. It's a Friday. So as of right now, the account is up $23. So the EA has made 23 bucks basically over. I actually turned it on yesterday. So I'd say in one trading day, it's made 23 bucks. As of right now, obviously we can't forecast anything on an average because it's only been a day. But if we are taking averages, I would say that, $23 multiplied by 5 is what? Almost is like $120 something dollars. And then that multiplied by, like a full trading month would be like almost 500 bucks or like around 500 bucks. So as of right now, the average of the EA is going to be roughly around $500 per month on a starting account size of $978. Again, I am over leveraged, and I'm telling you guys right now, I am 100% over leveraged. I am leveraged about 2 times right now. My starting account should actually be $2,000. I'm telling you guys right now, because if this EA actually does well for the next month, I will be releasing it to everybody. But again, don't do 978 bucks like I did. I am 100% over leveraged about 2 times right now. Minimum, you should be doing something like $2,000 for your account. And this is specifically on gold. Other pairs might be a little bit safer, but for gold, I would even go as far as saying I would recommend something like $3,000 to start up your account. But again, right now, this is just for testing purposes. This is a real account. But just letting you guys know, $23. We did 14 bucks over the overnight session, and then today from the morning till like a little bit of the afternoon, and made another like $9 or so. But overall, it did make from yesterday's starting point till now 23 bucks. And as of now, the average is about $500 per month, which would put this account at a full, maybe like a 50% gain in about a month, which is absolutely bonkers. But again, we haven't tested it in a month. We only have a day. These averages might keep going on the low side. They might keep going on the high side. We don't know yet, right? We don't know what's going to happen. But we'll see what's going on. We'll keep doing these videos daily. I'll release one in the morning after the overnight session, and then I will release the other one at usually in the afternoon between 6 and 8 o'clock p.m. my time, which is California PST time. So again, I'll see you guys later. The account has grown about $23 in one day, and we'll see how this turns out in about a month. So have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend.